This is the elevator at the Waterfront in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Not to be confused with the one in Homestead. This is just a building. Anyway, this is GAL RWB fixtures. It looks like it's from the 80s. I don't know what brand it is. It's like a Marshall or something. Maybe, I don't know. Lower level. And here we go down. Traction. Here's the lower lobby. Uphill works, and already went out. We'll go to 4. The GAL controller, definitely glitchy relay. Here we go up. Yeah, traction. Here at 4. This building is an absolutely beautiful, gorgeous building with a gorgeous atrium. Look at it. Look at that beautiful atrium. We'll go back to the lobby. There's people in offices right there. 80. I found newer GAL phone. I wonder if like Eastern or something. It's basic green 80s cap with a tell you like a suspended ceiling with a fake wood grayness, but they lifted it at some point. Got the brick floor, and it's the only elevator here, I believe. Certificate again. Here back to the lobby. Gorgeous this building is. Look at that staircase and all the stone, and look at this atrium. Wow, that is beautiful. Here, close, and that's gonna be it.